I am 24 into 7 in one job. When thought, feeling, word and actions are on the same line, intuition comes for a higher development. Why Bengal and Eastern India is so poor in comparison to Western India? I have been to Gujarat, Maharashtra, where I was sharing my ideas in my communities, in my training and mentoring sessions. One idea appeared to me and it was in me since last 14 years. Now I expressed it. Clear-cut concept of development of nation. Eastern India was much richer than Western India before the advent of Britishers. There was no time zone of India because the concept of India was not there. Now we are having one single time zone. But India being so vast a nation from east to west, so vast that when there is sunrise in the eastern part of India, it is almost dead night in the western part of India. It is about 2 hours difference of time zone. Those who are dealing with this, they know much better. Suppose the timing of the office is 10 a.m. People in Eastern India used to get 5 to 6 hours before starting of the office. And in the western part, people will get 2 to 3 hours before the start of the office, after waking up. And in eastern part of India, those 5 to 6 hours, most efficient time of the day for a person, because when we woke up, we are most efficient. With the passage of time in the day, we become stressed and less efficient, less innovative. In eastern part of India, if I say in Kolkata, people waking up at 5 or 6 a.m. and going to the office 10 or 11 a.m. They are having 5 to 6 hours and they are doing all the mundane works, going to market, purchasing this, purchasing that. The market is full of hue and cry. I have seen in Kolkata. They need to do everything very fast. And when they are doing everything very fast, they cannot do everything efficiently. And their whole day's energy is being wasted. And when they reach their office, they are already exhausted. Then they resort to politics, not doing work and playing truant from the workplace. Work culture is really very, very at the bottom in the eastern part of India. And in the western part, after morning, they need to be ready for the office and they rush to the office. They are full of energy, full of efficiency, full of innovation, and they are doing the office. When it is closed at 5 p.m., I am saying it is equivalent to 3 p.m. in Kolkata, the position of the sun, because sun sets 2 hours later in the western parts, almost 2 hours later. Means in eastern part, people are not having leisure time in the evening. In western part, I have been to Ahmedabad very recently twice for 2 weeks, then Surat, then Mumbai. I have seen at that place, if in Kolkata sun is setting at 6, there it is about around 7:30, 7:45. And the leisure time in the evening, they have good relation in the family. They can go out, they can freak, they can do their shopping very calmly, peacefully. There is no hurry. And naturally, they go earlier in the bed in comparison to sunrise and sunset. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy and wise. It is not a cliche. It is so scientific. I have been to China, and in China I have seen they are finishing their dinner by 7. And at 7 I am seeing the sun has not yet set. Means they have made their time zone so efficiently and office timing so efficiently that they work with their full effectivity and efficiency in the working hour, not wasting the effective time in doing all the mundane activity of the family, shopping, this, that in the morning. So what is the solution? Solution is the planners of India, they should take strong decision like Article 371, demonetization. This type of drastic decision needed for development of the nation. I truly believe in this. India needs to be divided in 3 or 4 time zones so that people, they should use their effective hour, efficient hour, energy, creativity in the workplace, not in the mundane activities. India is a versatile country, diversified country. Each and every part has the right to develop equally. Each and every person of India should strive for almost equal development of the parts of the nation. If we cannot have that much of guts in decision taking, then at least the states in the eastern India should start changing their office timing. In West Bengal, office should start at 8 a.m. in the morning and finishing at 4 p.m. Many things will change after taking this decision. It will not take more than 12 years that West Bengal will be at par with the western states of India, because West Bengal is having tremendous potential. I know this, but the energy is being wasted due to geographical disadvantage. When there is no British, we don't have any time zone. We used to wake up with the sun and our work used to cease after sunset. Having one time zone is a great disadvantage for the eastern states of India. I would like to request all the decision makers, policy makers, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Niti Aayog's members, and all the movers and shakers to ponder on this topic, which can make India uniformly developed nation. Myself, Matindra Devnath, running Idea Community, training and mentoring people for success, growth and holistic life. I like to thank everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you.